Some tips for helping to glue together your Small Biscuit craft kit. After everything is painted, you're gonna use the tacky glue. And I would put some tacky glue either right here on the dowel pin, or you could put it right around the hole on the very top of your dog body. And then you're just going to kind of twist them slightly together. Make sure the head is tilted and centered the way you'd like it. And then that's going to take about 10 minutes for your glue to set up and dry. Also, you will want to paint your ears separately, and then to put them in, you're going to want, you're going to want to put them in, but you kind of have to twist them as you push them in, and then just bend them down to the way that you like them. This is just paper wrapped wire, so you can bend it and it's not going to hurt anything. Also, with your glue, you're going to want to glue on your base. So what you're going to do is put a ring of glue right around here, put your base on, and you want to make sure that those two holes line up. That way your tea light is going to fit right through there to help light up the belly of your dog.